Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl Samantha and I'm back with another video. So today in this video, I'll be talking about the aloe vera gel. Yes, the gel. So although, let me tell you, this say 99% aloe gel, nothing no beat when you go and plant your own aloe vera plant. You can use it for eczema, you can use it for sunburn, you can use it to moisturize your skin, and it also repairs sunburn. So if you have sunburn or you are a bleacher, you want to use something for the sunburns them, yeah, you can get your aloe vera. Let me show you how it look. This is how it looks. Yes guys, so if you want this to purchase from me, you can get it to purchase. Just DM me on Instagram at Samantha's Jamaican Skincare and you can order this aloe vera gel. Let me show you how, just demonstrate to you. Alright, so the mind my nails because it's soon though. Alright, so as you can see, it moisturizes my skin. Yeah guys, so you can use it as a bleacher. Girl is not a bleacher right now, but used to be a bleacher. So, you know, so for the person them way in the sun all day, I want to put on nothing on the face but bleaching cream or bleaching gel. Yes. Or not just put on the bleaching cream or something. So I just put on the bleaching gel or bleaching cream. Persons, I put on sunscreen. Whether or not I do skin lightening, I still put on sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun. Listen to me. Nobody talk about yeah, me want vitamin D from the sun. Listen to me, no burn myself in the sun because I'm not gonna have some dark circles. And first of all, when you're not sleep, like me sleep late. So I always have these puffy eyes. Sometimes I use ice to get it down, or I use tea bag to get it down. But right now, me just tired. If you don't want to order the aloe gel, yeah, from me, just DM me at Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share the video, show some love in the comment section. What do you man? Listen me now. Show some love. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.